Special greetings, my dear students. Today we are going to learn about computer languages and its difference. So first we will understand the language and the concept and the translator. We will understand this in a very short way. First generation language. First generation language, we can say a machine language. Concept is based on zeros and ones. So in machine language we are using always zeros and ones, and there is no any translator program. Only we have to convert everything by ourselves. Now second generation language. Second generation language, we can say assembly language also. We can say assembly language also. Concept is what? In machine language everything is a 0 and 1, but in assembly language there will be a mnemonic codes, means nicknames, keywords. Some particular place we can use a keywords. Second generation mnemonic codes, and there is a translator program, name is assembler. And if you are coming to the third GL, 3GL means third generation language. We can able to say it is a high level language also. And the concept is what? There is a many programs like C, C++, Java, and so many programs are C, C++, Java, Python, Ruby. So many languages are there. In this all language there is a two type of translator. First translator is a compiler, and second translator is a interpreter. So there will be two translator. A difference between compiler and interpreter is, students, difference between compiler and interpreter. Compiler will convert a program, all program at once. It will convert all the program into machine language to a computer, all at once. But if you're coming to the interpreter, convert a program into line by line. Line by line means if I am writing in a C program, if I am writing a C or Java, any program, when I am writing, giving instruction with help of this program, if I am using a compiler as a translator program, compiler, this program will convert my all program at once into machine language, and it will give to a computer. Computer will give the answer. That given answer, this compiler again convert all line at once to a human language format. If I am using interpreter, this interpreter convert our program line by line into a machine language. Means if compiler found any error, if in a document if there is a 10 mistake, compiler will show 10 mistakes altogether. So we have to correct the mistake. If we correct the error only, it will execute the program. But in interpreter, if first line itself mistake is there, so interpreter will not go to the second line. When you are correcting the first line, when you are resolving the error of a first line, that time only interpreter, this translator program, will go to the second line, means will translate line by line. And fourth is the artificial intelligence, robots nowadays we are using. This is a short way and easiest way to understand a difference between a computer language. First generation we can call machine language, only zeros and ones concept. There is no any translator, only we are the translator. Second generation language, we can tell it is an assembly language. We are using mnemonic codes. Translator name is a assembler. And if you are coming to the third generation language, we can say it is a high level language. C, C++, Java, Python, nowadays whatever programming languages we are using, that all will come under this languages. In this we are using two translator. First is a compiler, second is an interpreter. Compiler, this program convert all our program at once into a machine language. If we are doing any error, if 4-5 place we done mistake, it will show 4-5 errors. After correcting only, it will give to a machine language. But if you are coming to the interpreter will convert our program into machine language line by line. If in our program also 4-5 error is a compiler will show all together, but interpreter first it will convert first line. If first line there is no error, it will go to second line. If second line, if any error will be there, till we are correcting, interpreter will not read third line. This is a basic and main concept of computer language. And thanks for watching. Students, please kindly go through what things we already completed and complete your fair copies.